Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshmi. Today's date is 19 March 2022. Today's my Bible video topic is linked list. Linked list is a class use of W-linked list. Linked list data structure. It is inherit the abstract class and implement the list and DQ interface. The linked list, the important point is the Java linked list class can contain duplicate element. Second one point is the Java linked list class it maintain the insertion order. Third one point is the Java linked list class is a non-synchronous. Fourth one point is in Java linked list class the manipulation is a fast because no shifting need to occur. And fifth one point is Java linked list class can be used as a list, stack or queue. Okay. Next one is hierarchy of linked list class. The Java linked list class to extend the abstract sequential list class and implement a list and DQ interface. Second one, the next one is W linked list. In W linked list, we can add or remove element from the linked list. Okay. Next one point is the linked list class interface. It is present. It is present. It is declared in the java.util.linkedList class. Okay. As a public class linked list, generic, you can write any variable extend to abstract sequential. Okay. So it's method of Java linked list. First one is Boolean add method. Boolean add method, it is used to append the specified element to the end of the list. Second one method is void add method. Void add method, it passes the index or element. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position index in the list. Third one method is void add method. It is used to insert the given element at the beginning of the list. And next one method is void add last index method. It is used to append the given element to the end of the list. Next one method is void clear method. Void clear method, it is used to remove all element from the list. And next one is object clone method. Object clone method, it is used to return the shallow copy and the array list. And next one is Boolean contents method. Boolean content method, it is used to return the true if list is contain specified element. And next one is iterator generic descending iterator method. It is used to return the iterate over the element in the DQ in the reverse sequential order. Next one is element method. It is used to retrieve the first element of the list. Next one is get method. It passes the int index. It is used to return the element at the specified position in the list. Next one is get first method. Get first method, it is used to return the first element in a list. Next one is get last method. Get last method, it is used to return the last element in the list. Next one is index of method. Index of method, it is used to return the index in a list of the first occurrence of the specified element or -1 if the list does not contain any element. And next one is last index of method. Last index of method, it is used to return the index in the list of the last occurrence of specified element or -1 if the list does not contain any element. Then next one is list iterator method. It is used to return the list iterator of the element if the proper sequential start at the specified position in the list. Next one is epool method. Epool method, it remove the first element of a list. Okay. And then next one is pop method. Pop method, it is used to element from this stack represented by a list. Okay. So this is all about linked list. Thank you.